In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile photo on Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful tool for managing projects, and having a personalized profile photo can help make collaborations more personal and engaging. So, let's dive into this simple process together, and you'll be able to update your photo in no time. First things first, you'll want to make sure you are on your Smartsheet homepage. This is your starting point for all the wonderful things you can accomplish in Smartsheet, including updating your profile details. Once you're properly logged in and on the homepage, take a look towards the lower left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon nestled right there. Give it a click to get started. Clicking the profile icon will open a small menu. From there, you'll want to click on Personal Settings. The Personal Settings area is where you can fine-tune your account to best suit your needs, including changing personal information and profile pictures. Once you are in the Personal Settings menu, you'll see an option that says Add Photo. This is the fun part. Clicking on Add Photo will allow you to either choose a new picture or replace the one you already have. You'll then want to click on Upload, which will prompt you to choose how you want to add your photo. Now, a dialog window will open, giving you the choice to upload a photo from your computer. Click on Upload from Computer. Another window will pop up, allowing you to browse files on your device. This is where you can really personalize your Smartsheet experience by choosing a photo that represents who you are or the vibe you want to give off to your collaborators. After selecting your favorite photo from your device, confirm your choice, and it will begin the upload process. Once the photo is uploaded, click on Done to finalize your selection. Finally, remember to click Save to ensure that all your changes are stored. It's important not to skip this step, as your photo won't be updated permanently until you hit Save. And just like that, you've successfully updated your profile picture on Smartsheet. The next time your team sees your profile, they'll be greeted with your new image. It's a small change, but one that can add a personal touch to all your future Smartsheet collaborations. Happy Smartsheeting!